Solar storms, while visually stunning, pose significant threats. They can disrupt satellite communications, GPS systems, and power grids, causing widespread chaos. Astronauts, airline passengers, and polar explorers face heightened radiation risks. On Earth, disruptions to technology and power can lead to economic losses and compromised safety. Understanding and preparing for these dangers are essential to mitigating their impact and safeguarding our planet and its inhabitants. In the grand narrative of the cosmos, every event, from the subtlest shift to the most cataclysmic occurrence, unfolds with impeccable timing. The solar storm of the century, heralded by Dolores Cannon's prophetic words, stands as a testament to the intricate dance of celestial forces. It arrives not as a random act, but as a meticulously orchestrated phenomenon, reminding us of the inherent order woven into the fabric of existence. Embracing divine timing necessitates a profound shift in perspective, a willingness to surrender to the flow of the universe, trusting in its inherent wisdom. Just as the planets align in perfect harmony, so too do the moments of our lives converge with cosmic precision. Each solar flare, each surge of electromagnetic energy, carries with it a message encoded in the language of the stars, a message of awakening, of transformation, of rebirth. As we stand on the threshold of this cosmic prelude, we are invited to release our attachment to linear time and embrace the eternal now. In doing so, we align ourselves with the rhythm of the universe, attuning our hearts to the pulse of creation itself. Every breath becomes a sacred mantra, every heartbeat a reverberation of the cosmic symphony. Embracing divine timing does not imply passivity or resignation. Rather, it invites us to become active participants in the unfolding of destiny. We are co-creators of our reality, weaving our intentions into the vast tapestry of existence. In the stillness of meditation, in the depths of contemplation, we find ourselves in communion with the divine, receiving guidance and inspiration from the unseen realms. As we prepare to witness the majesty of the solar storm, let us remember that we are not mere spectators, but integral players in the cosmic drama. With open hearts and receptive minds, let us embrace the divine timing of this momentous event, knowing that it carries within it the seeds of transformation and the promise of a new dawn. In the midst of the cosmic upheaval brought forth by the solar storm of the century, a parallel turbulence stirs within the depths of our being. Emotions surge like tidal waves, fears loom large like thunderclouds, and uncertainties cast shadows across our inner landscape. Yet, amidst this tempest, there exists a sanctuary of stillness, a beacon of light that guides us through the darkness. Navigating inner turbulence begins with a journey inward, a pilgrimage to the sacred temple of the soul. Here, in the silence of meditation and the tranquility of introspection, we find refuge from the chaos that rages outside. With each breath, we draw closer to the center of our being, shedding the layers of illusion and reclaiming our innate sense of peace. Finding stillness amidst the storm is not about denying or suppressing our emotions, but rather about embracing them with compassion and equanimity. Like a sturdy lighthouse standing firm against the onslaught of crashing waves, we anchor ourselves in the present moment, rooted in the awareness of our true nature. In the sanctuary of stillness, we discover the power of mindfulness, the art of observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment or attachment. As we cultivate this inner witness, we become adept sailors navigating the turbulent waters of our inner world. With each passing wave, we learn to ride the currents of emotion with grace and resilience. In the midst of the solar storm's celestial spectacle, let us remember that the true voyage lies not in the external tumult, but in the inner journey towards self-discovery and self-mastery. By finding stillness amidst the storm, we unlock the gateway to inner peace and spiritual awakening, transcending the limitations of the ego and aligning ourselves with the divine flow of existence. In the cosmic theater of existence, turmoil often serves as the crucible for profound transformation. As the solar storm of the century sweeps across the heavens, it heralds not only disruption but also the opportunity for renewal and growth. Like the mythical phoenix rising from the ashes, we are called to undergo a process of spiritual metamorphosis, emerging from the fires of adversity stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. The path of transformation begins with a willingness to embrace the lessons inherent in the turmoil. Each challenge we encounter becomes a sacred teacher, offering us the opportunity to confront our fears, transcend our limitations, and embody our highest potential. In the face of adversity, we discover untapped reservoirs of inner strength and courage, realizing that our greatest obstacles often contain the seeds of our greatest growth. As we navigate the tumultuous waters of the solar storm, we are invited to surrender to the alchemical process of transformation. Like the caterpillar encased in its chrysalis, we undergo a period of dissolution and reintegration, shedding old patterns and beliefs to make way for the emergence of our true selves. In the crucible of turmoil, we are stripped bare, liberated from the shackles of ego and illusion, and reborn into the fullness of our divine potential. Illuminating the path of growth requires us to cultivate a spirit of openness and receptivity, allowing the light of awareness to penetrate the darkest recesses of our being. Through introspection and self-reflection, we gain insight into the patterns that no longer serve us, and we have the courage to release them with grace and compassion. In embracing the transformative power of the solar storm, we align ourselves with the evolutionary currents of the universe, propelling us ever closer to the realization of our true nature. In the grand symphony of the cosmos, unity is the underlying melody that harmonizes all existence. As the solar storm of the century unfurls its celestial spectacle, it serves as a poignant reminder of our interconnectedness, a reminder that transcends the boundaries of time, space, and individuality. In the swirling chaos of the universe, we discover the threads of connection that bind us together in a tapestry of infinite complexity and beauty. Amidst the chaos of the solar storm, we are invited to recognize the inherent unity of all life. Just as the planets dance in perfect alignment, so too are we interconnected with every sentient being, every blade of grass, and every twinkling star. In embracing this interconnectedness, we awaken to the profound truth that we are not separate, but rather integral parts of a vast and intricate whole. Unity amidst chaos requires us to transcend the illusion of separation and recognize the divinity that resides within each and every being. As we gaze upon the awe-inspiring spectacle of the solar storm, we are reminded that we are all children of the cosmos, united by the spark of universal consciousness that animates us all. In the face of adversity, unity becomes our greatest strength. Like strands of a spider's web, we are stronger together than we could ever be apart. In times of crisis, we come together as one family, offering support, compassion, and solidarity to those in need. Through acts of kindness and empathy, we weave the fabric of unity ever tighter, creating a world founded on love, compassion, and understanding. As we stand on the precipice of the solar storm, let us remember that unity is not merely a concept to be understood, but a lived experience to be embraced. In recognizing the threads of connection that bind us together, we unlock the transformative power of collective consciousness, ushering in a new era of peace, harmony, and unity for all beings. As the solar storm of the century subsides, leaving in its wake a celestial canvas painted with the remnants of its fiery dance, we are called to embrace a spirit of gratitude. In the aftermath of chaos, we find not only destruction but also the seeds of renewal, the promise of new beginnings, and the gifts of wisdom bestowed upon us by the cosmos. Gratitude in the wake of the solar storm is a profound acknowledgement of the interconnectedness of all life. We express thanks not only for the blessings bestowed upon us, but also for the challenges that have tested our strength and resilience. Each trial and tribulation becomes a stepping stone on the path of our evolution, guiding us towards greater understanding and self-realization. Embracing the gifts of the solar storm requires us to cultivate a spirit of openness and receptivity. Like a parched earth drinking in the nourishing rains, we soak up the wisdom imparted by the cosmic upheaval, allowing it to penetrate the depths of our being. Through introspection and reflection, we uncover hidden truths and insights, illuminating the path forward with newfound clarity and purpose. Gratitude is not merely a fleeting emotion, but a way of life, a conscious choice to find beauty and meaning in every experience, no matter how challenging or tumultuous. As we emerge from the shadow of the solar storm, let us carry with us a sense of deep gratitude for the blessings bestowed upon us. Let us honor the lessons learned, the growth experienced, and the connections forged amidst the chaos. In the radiant glow of gratitude, we find solace, strength, and renewal, ready to embark upon the next chapter of our cosmic journey with open hearts and minds.